Welcome back. See these scuff marks? Let's remove them. Today we're going to be trying out two products. One is the Scrub Bubbles Bathroom Grime Fighter. Another one is CLR Mold and Mildew Clear. This is the floor at my work, and so we move a lot of heavy things and drag things across the floor, so we get some pretty gnarly scuff marks. And we're going to be trying both of them and comparing them and see which one's better. To keep it simple, these two scuff marks will be with the Scrub Bubbles. These two down here will be with the CLR. I do have a little tiny scrubber. Let's get after it. Spray, spray, spray. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrubbed it away with the scrubbing bubbles. Now I'm gonna wipe it with the Gunk cleaner. That's nice. CLR. Spray, spray, spray. Scrub, scrub, scrub. I'm currently scrubbing with the CLR, and to be honest with you, it doesn't seem like it's working all that well. So I'm gonna wipe it away, and I'm gonna try the scrubbing bubbles on the stuff down here that won't come off and see if it's just on there really after we wipe it away. That's gross. There it is. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Has been scrubbed. We'll wipe away one final time, and then we'll give it a little review at the end. I've set both of them up exactly as before. And there was a little scuff marks that were in the middle right here. And remember, the top portion was the scrubbing bubbles, the bottom portion was a CLR. So the scrubbing bubbles worked very well on the top portion, and then I used a CLR for the bottom one right here, and it did not work so well. It took a lot more scrubbing than need be, and when I wiped it, it kind of just got all the dirt that was on the floor off, but all the scuff marks are still there. I sprayed some of the scrubbing bubbles, Bathroom Grime Fighter, and I scrubbed it a little bit, and it came right off. And then I ended up wiping it with the paper towel, and it looks just like this. These right here, they're scratches in the actual tile itself, so those can't be removed. But if you were to use both these, I highly suggest the scrubbing bubbles. But again, if you have mold, CLR, I highly suggest using this, especially for like bathroom areas. And if anything, go over that once it has been scrubbed with CLR. I hope this helps, and stay tuned for more.